Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make this blouse. If you are new in this channel and you like my videos, you can subscribe to receive the notifications of my new videos. Let's go with a step by step. To make a medium size, you need 550 grams of this yarn. The recommended needle is 5 millimeters. It is 100% cotton. A 6 millimeters and 3 millimeters crochet hook, a needle and scissors. With the 6 millimeters crochet hook, we have to make a slip knot, we have to make a chainless foundation double crochet. So we have to chain 3, yarn over, pass the hook through the first chain, pull through 1, you still have 3 loops on the hook, take the yarn again, make a chain 1 with the last loop. We made 1 chain and we have to complete now the double crochet. We have to repeat the same, we have to take the yarn, pass the crochet hook through the 2 loops of the previous chain, pull through 1, chain 1 and complete the double crochet. This is what we have to repeat to have 60 double crochet. 60 double crochet. Making the double crochet like this, you get a more elastic bottom part. Once you have the 60 double crochet, you have to chain 3, turn, and you have to make 1 double crochet on each double crochet. 1 double crochet on each double crochet. So 60 double crochet. Once you finished the second row, you have to chain 3, turn, and make also 1 double crochet on each double crochet on this row. You have to make 30 rows with double crochet, counting the foundation double crochet as the first row. 30 rows with double crochet. Now we have to start making the increases of the sleeves. On the first row in the first row of increases, you have to chain 24, chain 24, chain 3, turn, 1 double crochet on each chain, so 24 double crochet, continue with double crochet in the part of the middle,
and we have to increase now 24 stitches on this side. We don't have to make chains now, we have to make the foundation, the chainless foundation double crochet. So we have to repeat what we made at the beginning of the pattern. We have to make also 24 double crochet. Once we made the 24 double crochet, we have to start now the next row with increases. Now we have to make 10 increases. In this side we have to chain 10. We have to chain 10 to make the increases. Chain 3, turn, and make 10 double crochet. 10 double crochet, and complete the other 24 double crochet, the 60 double crochet in the middle and the 24 double crochet of the other side. Once we are at the other side, we have to make again 10 increases, but we have to make the increases with the chainless foundation double crochet. So make the increases, the 10 increases, Once we finish the second row of increases, we have to make again one row with 10 increases. So now chain 10, chain 3, turn 1 double crochet on each double crochet to the end, and make at the end of this row the chainless foundation double crochet increases to have 10 more increases. Once we finish the last row with increases, we have 3 rows with increases, and now we have to make 4 rows with 1 double crochet on each double crochet. 4 rows with 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Once we finish the 4 rows of double crochet, we have to cut the yarn and make one piece, repeating the same that we made with this piece. So we need 2 pieces. Now we have to take a needle and we have to sew the sides and the bottom part of the sleeves. On both sides, we have to sew the sides and the bottom part of the sleeves. Once we have sewn the sides, we have to turn the blouse and we have to take now the 3mm crochet hook and we have to place the yarn at the corner of one sleeve. We have to take the yarn, we have to place the yarn, chain 12 and make a slip stitch with the last stitch of the sleeve of the other side of the sleeve. Make a slip stitch in the next double crochet of the sleeve, turn, and we have to make 1/2 double crochet on each chain, 1/2 double crochet on each chain. And we have to place the crochet hook 2 stitches to the right. On the sleeve we have to place the hook and make a slip stitch with the 1/2 double crochet, and we have to make again 1/2 double crochet on each stitch to the other side. Then you have to make a slip stitch and you have to make a chain with the length of the double of the sleeve, a chain with the length of the double of the sleeve. So make a chain, and once you have the length that you need, you have to make 1 single crochet on each chain, 1 single crochet on each chain to the beginning of the chain. You have to make a slip stitch, cut the yarn, take the strip and 3 centimeters to the left on the other side of the sleeve, you have to pass the strip through the double crochet. Now 3 centimeters to the left on the other side of the sleeve, you have to pass again the strip through the double crochet. We have to repeat the same, leaving 3 centimeters on each side, making crossings with the strip to arrive at the shoulder. Once you are at the shoulder, you have to sew the strip with a needle. Once you have sewn the strip, you have to sew the front part and the back part of the shoulders 3 centimeters. Once you finished one sleeve, you have to repeat the same on the other side. Remember, you have to place a yarn, chain 12, 2 rows with half double crochet, make the chain, continue with single crochet to make the strip, and make the crossings to the shoulder, and at the shoulder you have to sew the 3 centimeters. And you finished the blouse.
Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to give a like, share and subscribe to receive my new videos.